I'm an ISKL Red Hat, and we'll be teaching you how to use a hammer properly. But first, let's talk about safety rules. So glasses is really needed for your eye protection, and so are gloves for your hand protection. But just make sure that you're wearing your glove in your bad hand and not your good hand, so then the hammer can have the good hand and work on that. Also, while hammering, make sure that you wear an apron so then your clothes are safe and protected. So let's start. While hammering, it's recommended to use a clothespin so then you don't have to hold the nail while hammering. Because if I hammer like this, my hands can get hurt badly, and there's chance of me going to the hospital. So I rather use a clothespin than just your fingers. So while hammering, make sure that your nail is straight, because if it goes sideways like this is sideways, it won't go straight and it'll be a bent nail, and nobody likes a bent nail. So make sure it is straight and you're set for hammering. And so now while you're hammering, you wanna just focus on the nail and exactly where it's starting. So then if you look around, like you can get hurt. So make sure that you're looking at the nail directly, and this part of the hammer is right going on the nail. So just have a good eyesight for that. So now while hammering, if this hammer, like a certain hammer, you're feeling either too light or too heavy, then maybe you should get a new hammer, because the just right hammer is really important, so then you won't get hurt, and you need to be comfortable with this. And so after a few hits, you don't need a clothespin because it's already holding, and you don't have to worry about it falling down. So it's already quite in there. And so I'm just gonna hammer now. Okay, and now I'm basically done hammering it in, and for closing it out, for taking it out. Leverage is needed for taking a thing out, because suppose we don't have any leverage, okay? This will be really hard to get it out. So it's recommended to use leverage. Sometimes even 2 blocks of leverage is needed, but today I'm just going to be using a block. So while taking it out, make sure this part, your hammering part of the hammer, is facing you, and don't pull up. It's never gonna work. It's pull sideways, like this, so then you can take it out like this. Don't take it out like this. It's not gonna work. So this is needed.